4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today we're going to do an eyeshadow look using, I have a few palettes over here, so I really don't know what I want to use yet, but okay, it's out of, I do have like new makeup, and I wasn't planning to do a haul on these, so it's either going to be this Klarity Kosmetics palette. It is the Lily palette, looks like this. If I don't use this one today, I'll be doing it in another video. And then I have this, what is this? Who is this from? This Cosmic Brushes. It's not from you, I actually bought this, but it's Cosmic Brushes, and this is our Royal Rose palette. This is a company from the UK, and I bought their palette. I haven't tried it yet, but the colors look really good. So I'm going to be using one of these palettes. I think I'm going to go with the Klarity Kosmetics palette today. We will see. Also, I have this In the Springs ColourPop palette. A lot of this stuff I've bought like since April, and I took so long to do a haul video that I just decided not to do the video. So that's why you haven't seen any of these. Okay, and this is the, what is this? In the Springs. So this is this palette. So I think I'm going to do the Klarity Kosmetics palette because I could not wait to get this. And they already have another palette that just launched for pre-orders, which I've already done my pre-order. And I think that's supposed to be shipping soon. So that will be coming. And I think it's called Apocalypse. So check that out if you have not already. My eyes are not prepped, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Kylie concealer in the color Maple. This is a lighter color, but oh, the applicator just came off. Okay, so I'm not using this. 1 second while I go get another concealer. Okay, so I'm going to instead use this Milani Conceal and Perfect in the color Medium Beige 135. So it's another light color. And we'll just go ahead. I do like to do a lighter color on my eyes so that way the colors pop a little bit more. Then I'll take my sponge. And I believe this is one of the sponges that I got from Shein. So Shein has makeup sponges, and you can get like a bundle of them for probably like $4, and they're good. So you should try if you have not. I'm going to set it using my Airspun powder. Usually I set it using a sponge, but I want to try using a brush and see. Because when I use a sponge, sometimes I make a bit of a mess. The powder gets everywhere. So I'm just going to set it using this brush. Okay. And because I'm a creature of habit, I'm still going to go over it with my sponge. Okay, now, so this is the Lily palette, and it looks like this on the inside, and we're just going to go ahead and jump into these colors. I don't know what colors, well, I kind of know. So I for sure want to use this You Grow Girl. It's, if you look at it, it's like a green, and it's not even showing on the camera, but oh, right there, like, see how it goes like green to, I don't know, but it's so pretty. Look at it on my finger. Okay, let's swatch it. So, oh, look at it. See that green? So pretty. Okay, you got to get this palette. If you don't have it, get it. Let's swatch something else because I don't think I'm gonna be able to use all these colors. Let's swatch this one and this one. So this one was Flower Power. This one is Tiger Lily. Looks like that. And we'll do this Nowhere to Grow down here, this green. Looks like that. Ooh, and this purple, last but not least. I'm always more interested in how like the shimmers or the duochromes, multi-chromes perform rather than like the mattes. So this one is like my favorite. I may try to use one of these other colors, but I'm for sure putting this on my lid. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this and see what kind of look we can come up with, because this palette is beautiful. And Klarity Kosmetics has become like my top favorite brand for eyeshadow. They're coming out with other things. They have like lipsticks, blushes, they're coming out with bronzers. If they would just come out with their own line of like foundations, like I would buy anything that they're selling. So I'm going to use Oh No, I Wet My Plants right here, this purple color, and just start putting that in. But yes, they are at this point like my top favorite brand. And if I had to like get rid of all my makeup, I would rather keep my Klarity Kosmetics. Very pretty. So now I'm just patting that on because I want it to be deep. Okay, so pretty. Now I'm gonna use my little color switch changer so I can keep using the same brush. I'm going to go into, they have this other color here, Budding Romance. It's just a little bit lighter than Oh No, I Wet My Plants. So I'm gonna use this, and then I think I will go into this color here, which is Best Buds. I don't know if I'm gonna get into this. I might try to like use as many colors as possible, but we'll see. So Budding Romance, which is like this purple shade I already have on there, but probably like a little bit lighter. Taking a new brush. What is this? It's the BH Cosmetics #7 brush. This came in a set. I just don't remember which set. I'm going to use the Best Buds, which is this like mauve-y pink here. It's like a pretty color. I'm just kind of buffing that on the outer edge. That's pretty. Alright, and I like this brush, so I'm going to use this to do, I want to just try this color Floret and see how that blends just outside of Best Buds and just see what that does. This is a nice bright orangey color. And then I'm going to kind of blend it towards the front here. Then I will go back into the purple. I don't know where that brush went that I was using for purple. So the Oh No, I Wet My Plant, which is like the darker purple I started with. I'm just going to go back in. I do want to cut my crease, so I'm going to cut my crease and I will be right back. Cut my crease, and now we're going to jump into that really pretty color, You Grow Girl, right here. And we're going to put that on our lid. I am going to try it with a brush and see if that goes on well first. So this is what it looks like on the brush. I am going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. If you hear talking in the background, that is my neighbors outside living their best life, so just kind of ignore that. I don't know if the camera is like picking this up. But let me also just see. Let me try on this eye. Okay, let me stop because I just want to keep packing this on my lid. Now let me go into, I'm going to take Flower Power, which is right here, and just kind of put that on the outer portion before I go back in with like a matte color. And I'm just patting that on. Okay, now we're going to go back into the first color I used, which is Oh No, I Wet My Plants, which was this deeper purple here. And this is the deepest color in the palette. I'm just going to feather it on the outer portion here. So I'm not all the way covering up the Flower Power color. It's just on the edge of that. And I'll take it out to go ahead and finish blending this area. I have my little color switcher here, and I'm going to go into the Best Buds color, which was this mauvey pink, and go right here. And I just dipped back into I Wet My Plants really quick, just to make sure that these colors are blending here on this outer portion. And then lastly, fix this one more time. I'm just gonna slightly go into Floret. Their colors are so pigmented, like, and just go back, because I still want that color on the outer portion. So I'm just lightly now I do feel like I want like a liner here. I don't know what color liner, but I want to add a liner here, and I need to put on my eyeliner and everything else. So I'm gonna do my face and then I will come back. Alright, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and just finished my eyes. So just to share, on my lower lash line, I mixed Oh No, I Wet My Plants and Best Buds. So these two colors here. In my inner corner, I use this green here. It's Nowhere to Grow, because I did want to add the green, but I didn't want to do it on my lower lash line. Okay, and I added a liner to kind of separate there. And it was this Profusion Electric Bold Liner. I was going to use a different color, purple, more of a purple, but a lot of my liquid liners are actually dried out because it's so hot in here, so I couldn't use that. This one was almost dried out. I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus and I was able to do the liner, but it was a bit of a struggle. And then for my lips, I used the Klarity Kosmetics I Throw Shade color, which is really nice. And for the lip liner, I used the Mented Night Lip Pencil, which is this one, which is really, really good. And over top, I just used my Essence, I don't even know, oh, it's Friends of Glamour. So I think these are like $2 or $3 at Ulta. But that's what I used for my lips. And I need to start putting like in the description box like the products I'm using on the rest of my face, but as I'm doing my makeup off camera, I always put things away, because if I don't, it's a mess here and then I don't want to come back in here to do anything else. So I try to clean as I go, and then I just have so much stuff I don't usually remember what I used, but that's what I had here in front of me, and I wanted to definitely share because I used the Klarity Kosmetics Lily eyeshadow palette, so I thought I would share that I use their liquid lipstick as well, and I really like it, so you have to check that out. So go ahead, comment down below what you think of this look. If you have this palette, have you tried Klarity Kosmetics before? Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this look or if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.